This video will demonstrate how to replace an alternator belt on a Stairmaster 4000pt. Tools required for this video are a 19mm wrench and a 13mm wrench. As you can see, we're starting this process with the shrouds already removed and the power already disconnected from the machine. So once you get to that point, all you have to do is loosen and pivot the alternator by loosening this bolt and this nut. Once you have those two loosened up, you can pivot the alternator and you'll be able to remove the belt. Slip it over both pulleys. Slide the alternator back up to create some tension on the belt. And then tighten the hardware. This completes our demonstration of how to replace an alternator belt on a Stairmaster 4000pt. Thanks for your support during our more than 25 years in the business.